Hello guys, today I want to compare the strength of dogs against wolves physiologically. Wolves are stronger than dogs in terms of speed. The average speed of dogs is between 42 and 45 kilometers per hour, but wolves can reach up to 60 kilometers per hour. In terms of wolf jaw strength, 28 kilograms per square centimeter, or 400 psi, currently only 5 dogs have more jaw strength than wolves. In this fight, wolves have more chances to survive than dogs. But if we send those 5 dogs that have more jaw power than wolves to fight with wolves, maybe they will be able to take revenge of the other dogs from the wolves. Those are the 5 dogs. 1 Dago Argentino jaw force 500 psi. 2 English Mastiff jaw strength 555 psi. 3 Ken Corso jaw power 700 psi. 4 jaw force 730 psi. 5 Kangal and Mirage jaw power 743 psi. Thank you for watching the video. If it was useful, please subscribe.